Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna Nakai. Notice anything different? Maybe this bomb new illuminated look due to my new box lights that I ordered. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I am a YouTuber now. I definitely am a YouTuber now. I can call myself a YouTuber. I got my box lights, I got my backdrop, I got my camera now. I am ready to go. And my new camera is the SONY a6600. My new soft boxes are mountdog, and I can tag all of this information down below. So if you stay tuned, if you want to see how I set up my new studio lights, and let's get started. Woo-hoo! Party! And make sure y'all go watch my unboxing video from my camera because I'm so excited about that too. So make sure y'all watch that video as well. So with that being said, stay tuned for my video and watch me put these box lights together. So right now I'm just opening the box and I'm realizing that there was a box within a box for my box lights. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So now that I got the box open, I'm going to start off with taking one by one all the items out of the box to make sure that I have all of the items that is required to have success in the setup of this box lights. Right now I'm just trying to see what everything is so I can know how to work. It's some big ass lights. So big. It's so big. It's so big. Put that in there for right now until we get to that point. Obviously we're not there yet. I have 8 of those bulbs and I have 2 box lights. So 4 bulbs go into each box light. So as you can see, those black bags hold the actual box light body. Feels like batons. So I'm looking at the device and I'm actually really confused on how to set this thing up. So I grabbed the paper that came with the box lights and there was absolutely nothing on the instructions. The instructions don't tell you anything. What in the world? They literally don't tell you anything. Yeah, I'm going to struggle with this. So in this clip, this is going to be an unedited time lapse of essentially how long it took me to figure this thing out. I'm not entirely sure why this company doesn't send you instructions. Maybe they just assume that you can go on YouTube to watch videos and learn how to set it up. But I personally feel like they should include their own setup video and maybe on the instructions tell you, hey, go to this location to find the online video of the instructions or tutorial on how to set up these box lights. But they didn't include that. So this was all real time on my own figuring it out. So the issue was, I was thinking that the rods would have to been placed in at an angle, the angle that normally forms the box shape of the box light, but you eventually see how the rods are actually supposed to go. I think I figured it out, y'all. So I sped this video up for you guys, but this process of me figuring this out took about, I would say, close to 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see, we're making progress. It was a success. I figured it out. And right now I'm just kind of like placing the rods inside of these divots inside of the box light casing. Okay, y'all, so that wasn't that bad. I figured it out. Box light number 1. So for this part, I'm just going to speed through because you've already seen me set up in a time lapse the first box light. I just wanted to give you guys a closer view of what I was struggling with initially and to show you how to place the rods inside of the light. So the stick has 2 different ends. It has like a bulb kind of end, and then it has like a portion of an end that's not quite bulb. You want the bulb end to be left out. Now we're going to go ahead and install the bulbs. Try not to touch the bulbs with your bare hands, because sometimes the oil from your hands can cause the bulbs not to last as long. And if you know anything, you would know that these bulbs are really expensive to rebuy. So I advise you to take heed to that advice. I'm going to keep all of the packaging because I know within the next year or 2 I'm going to be moving back to the States. So I want to keep the packaging so that way I'll have it for when that happens. Okay, so now we're getting to the box light stands, which are tripods. Also, I'm not entirely sure if I'm a fan of these tripods. I was trying to secure the legs of them. It seems like if you press down hard enough, the legs keep wanting to spread wider apart. And I've tightened the screw, so I'm not entirely sure. Maybe I just need to tighten it a little bit more or over tighten it, so that way the legs won't spread further apart when I'm pressing down on it or applying pressure. So we got 1 box light down, just 1 more to go. And now we're getting into applying the diffuser fabric over the box light. The box light has Velcro panels on each side of the box light. As of right now, I'm still trying to figure things out as far as like the settings I want my camera to shoot in and the lighting, like how dim I want it, how cool I want it, how warm I want it. I'm still trying to work out all the kinks, but as of right now, everything seems to be pretty much falling into place, and I'm so excited. I am so excited, guys. However, quality isn't everything. If you are making good content, and if you are showing and demonstrating your awesome personality, people are going to watch you. People are going to subscribe to your channel. You do not need quality to get genuine people to be interested in you, okay? I personally don't want people to like me for the things that I have. I want people to like me for me. That's in YouTube and that's in the outside world as well. So with that being said, yes, I purchased all of these equipment to get my quality up because You know, these pro YouTubers have been out here doing the damn thing. You know what I'm saying? They've been out here for a while, and ain't no way that I'm gonna sit here and stay on the struggle bus when I have the means to be able to ride the same bus that they riding. Like, nah, you ain't gonna calm me, okay? I'm gonna jump on that same bus you on that quality bus, I'm gonna go on that quality bus. You ain't about to see me on no struggle bus. Nope, that's not what it's headed for. I'm not gonna do it. So always remember, guys. Always remember. Subscribing is free, okay? Subscribing is legit free. It doesn't take much to subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe and click the bell right next to it so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Go ahead and do it. Like this video if you like my content and you want to see more of it and you want to see more of me, then go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and the video. Comment down below. Like, let's be a family. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and do this, because you know what? It's free. Yeah, it's free. It's not costing you any money. Well, I mean, if you want to get technical, you know, you use the internet to watch this video, that's probably costing you money. I mean, but you know, you're using your internet for other things too, but you're using your time right now to watch me. So go ahead and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get on this train. Let's go and get on this bus. All right, guys. See you next time in another video. Bye. And I'm out.